Okay, so I'm playing Monkey's Realm. I just recorded a video. It did not work out well. So I'm playing Monkey's Realm. Monker. Ow. It's very high quality too.
No! Yes! Bro died!
Go subscribe to.
Hey, don't kill me! I promise I won't hit you again. I promise.
PBR.
Because I never break promises in my life. I'm not joking. Sorry.
No spaces.
You were just sliding around me. Woo! How you get? Why are you sliding so much?
Subscriptions, you should see.
We'll have this. Oh, gotta go off. My battery goes. This game moves. Okay, push. Let me kill you real quick. Let me get you. Dude, thank you. Return. Yeah, dude, you can't even where do you go? What? Where do you go? Monkey crap.
Oh, what am I gonna get? Jamie, it's really Pokemon hard.
Don't put it. Ready?
Where'd this kid get that from?
Oh, you want your stuff? You're picking up.
Let's see. And I got a 0.
Look at how strong gravity. Wrong.
Try this.
This is so unfair. Hi!
What the?
Let's go shop.
Look.
Arcade? Arcade? There's an arcade. Yeah, there's an arcade. No, we were teaming up. Oompa loompa doopity doo.
Oompa loompa. I don't know what that is. I don't care. What's the joke?
Okay.
They said, why is it?
Oh! Come on! Come on! Sir, where are you? Red, are you being a scaredy cat? Are you a baby? Red? Red?
Wait, who wants to do horror? Who wants to do horror?
500! I won 500! I am doing horror.
Horde is nuts. Now shut
doing
up.
horror. Guys, let's go up one level. Guys, let's go up one level. I'm gonna go up a level.
Here. This is my first time playing. Guys.
Come on. You think I know what's up there?
That's the one.
Oh, you missed the old version. I got a bad feeling about you. Oompa doompa doompa you. I got a bad feeling about you. Oompa doompa doompa. No!
Guys, this is my first time playing.
Oompa doompa doompa doo.
Ticket balance. This is actually me on arcade. I just spent it.
I got a bad feeling about you. Oompa doompa doompa.
Yo, everybody, do horror.
Okay, I'm killing something.
Do horror. Everybody, do
Claw machine.
Come on.
Don't even.
Hey, we're not hitting each other.
What is it? What did I get? No, I just did that.
Bro, how am I supposed to get? Come on, fly it. You're gonna hit me. Get in there. I'm touching children. I am gonna win tonight. I got a bad feeling.
I don't know what that was. That was a tie. This is a super. What is this? Oh, the same thing. I get. I don't care.
Yo, I won 500 again!
I won 5. Let's go! So much.
Come on, buddy. Are you? Bro, what? Right behind. I'm right behind you.
Top bin.
This game is
Top bin.
How do you become tiny? How do you become tiny and fit in there? Oh, you need to buy it. How do you buy it? Oh, it costs so much. It costs so much. Where is it? It's at the power. Power? Where? Where's power? Well, look. Are you new to this game?
Huh.
500 again.
I don't care.
You won 500.
I can.
Yeah. So how do you do it?
Bro, this game is literally.
You go to shop and then you go to the system item power, and then you go up there, and then you get, and then you will see like still, and then hold on.
Gambling in the arcade.
Unlockables. Yeah. Did I get it? Right here.
I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna get it. I hope. Oh, it's another one of those stupid string cuts. These are like impossible.
Key point to that.
These string cuts are almost impossible.
Do you just get bigger?
Yeah.
Can someone point to that? How do you do that?
Crap.
Can you point to how to do that?
Sucks.
Can you point to how to do that?
I
want to do
yeah.
that. Hello. How do you find power? How do you get that tiny?
Nice. Where?
Gaming.
Man, there's staff only.
Teach you how to buy power.
Oh,
How do you get that tiny?
oh, Flappy.
Oh, wait, did I do it?
You're like a little pet. You're like a little pet.
Girl, I won.
I don't care. I'm gonna kill you.
I won on it.
Stop money, ladies.
Wait, this is.
Stop money, ladies.
What can I afford?
Skibbity swirl. What did I get?
Hey,
I got 50.
Horror. What's it doing in horror?
I will.
I know I'm definitely going in horror this video. I have no choice. I'm gonna use if I don't.
Yo, give me a second. I'll come join you. Let me equip my new cosmetic I just won. This is not the right area.
No, I'm not gonna get it.
How many bananas do you think I have? How many bananas do you think I have?
So.
Hey, you.
Ah, that's stupid.
I think that they got rid of plastic.
I didn't even get off. Okay, whatever. You know what? I'm gonna just go.
Hey, so... Hey, am I supposed to have this? I just got the game yesterday. I haven't bought anything. But am I supposed to be able to go in here? Am I supposed to be Am I supposed to be able to go in here? I haven't
What?
bought
Going
any.
where? Going
I'm in
where?
a supporter event and I got the game today. And I haven't bought anything. You wanna, where are you?
Is this
I wanna
horror?
get you approved.
What is this? I don't know what this place is, but
Wait, are you the person that's wondering, like, it's not a guy. What are you not supposed to get? Are you Cyan?
yes, but I'm flying now, so I don't know how to get out. Oh my god, what is this place? What is this place? Hold on.
Hello?
How do you get banana?
Where?
Copyright?
Patty shop?
I don't know if this is copyright.
Who wants to learn how to get the camera?
I do. I already have the camera. Donaldson?
Oompa doopa dee doo. I've gone.
There's a monkey craft in mine. Bro, I go in monkey craft.
Get me out. How do I get out? It won't let me.
Yeah.
How do I get out?
Yeah. Okay, where's Butter VR?
No, why am I flying again?
Oh my god. Come on. Bro, Butter. I need
Stay
to
there.
talk to
Stay
you.
there. Stay there.
I'm building a dirt house.
No.
Who wants to come see my cringe? Who wants to come see my find anything? So I didn't get anything, but for some reason I can enter here.
How? Like, go in it. How? If you haven't gotten anything,
Oh no!
Like, see what I mean? Like I clicked on the button.
I don't know.
Like, look.
Where's horror? I want to go to horror.
I built my computer house. Hold on, wait, there's an unlockable room. There's an
Bouncy body
unlockable
power?
room.
What does the bouncy body power do? Nothing. I don't care.
Stick with this badge. I want to see if we can
I don't
test
have
out
any.
powers.
I'm gonna
Who
go
wants to play hide and seek with me? Who wants to play hide and seek with me?
horror. Hey. What?
Wait for me, Red.
Hey guys, what is this?
Go! I say run!
Green. Choose green.
Hey. You!
I say where?
I
What are we doing?
already follow me.
Why do you have fire on your hands?
You go!
Freeze, yellow. Level 1 is because I had the torch.
I can't see you guys. Where are you guys at?
Yo, what is that?
Come on. Welcome.
What is that?
I don't have to worry
Now
about
let's give
my
Mr.
class.
Fregberg. Blue, other way. It's over here.
Yeah,
Come here, Mr. Fregberg. Just go. You'll drop down.
Now let's get
Go,
this
go, go, go.
brown thingy-majingy.
Just run. Run really fast. Run. See, run it behind us. Just keep running. It's not that scary.
Because of those people want to get out of the
Bro,
way.
go, go, go.
Get out the plane.
Come on.
Get out the planes.
This
I really don't know how to beat this
one.
one.
Over here, two.
Follow me.
I'm
Don't
going
go
down.
down. So red is
Two,
one,
three.
I think.
I swear I can
I think
never
follow me.
ever
Ready?
find
3,
one.
2, 1. Go red. Roll. Yeah, go in here.
Blue 5.
I
One,
think
I got 2, 3,
let's go.
4,
Blue 5.
5. 2, 3, 4, 5. I can literally I never find one. Where's
Red's
where can
one.
we find
Red
all
is
the
one.
5 of them?
And the nuke.
No, it's different for everybody. I mean, like, you have to find all 5.
Pink.
One.
That's a lie.
Yeah, I can't find pink.
Red, pink.
1,
Blue.
2.
Green, yellow.
So is
Guys,
it?
I'm at the first level. I did it. How? Now go to the stupid guys, I'm at the
clown
first level, please. What are you? Guys! Oh no! Guys,
I'm being
where are
killed.
you?
I'm gonna get killed.
Where are you?
1. Red's 1.
Cyan.
Green's 2.
Oh, yeah.
Green's 1.
Don't drop something.
Oh, it blew up. And I died. I swear, what was that thing?
Back. Hey, what's the monster in this one, huh?
It's
I
not
know
really
it's not-
scary.
Come and find me.
Just go quickly. It's right there.
I'm dead.
Come on.
And I'm getting up
drop.
right now, but like,
What's that?
Alright, you gotta run quickly. Go. Come on, go. It'll be right there in a second. See, there it is.
Where did I go before?
Oh, whoops, I went the wrong way.
Collect all the
Okay.
red bars.
It's lagging. 5. Okay, green. I'm holding fire right now. So,
It's
hey,
right
look at
here.
I'm holding fire on my gun. My gun is on fire.
Okay.
Shoot him.
Red 1.
Yellow. Alright, got the game yesterday.
For this one, don't move.
What?
Wait, why is there
No.
2 5s?
Green.
There's 2 5s for me.
Wow. Yellow.
I just saw somebody standing right here.
Yeah, same. I just saw that. Green, yellow, blue, red.
Oh, you. Bro,
What?
this is like
Wait,
a
Red,
Monster. I
red.
don't know how to do this. I'm gonna get jump scared. Yo, I did it. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so it's
What's number 1?
it's red.
Hello?
It's red, yellow, green, blue.
Hey, you're the only one here. How do we do this? What is pink?
Oh, collect the red bars. Collect red bars. Collect the red bars.
I did
Collect the red
it.
bars.
I did it. What do I do now?
How do I get rid of them?
After I finish shit, what do I do?
You have to click for red bar.
Come on, just chasing me.
I finished.
Go back there.
What do I do?
How many bars do you have?
Dude, I
Now
finished.
shoot. Now you want to shoot at him. Shoot at him with the trigger.
Okay, got him.
Exit over here. Exit. Okay, exit
Over
over
here.
here.
I'm coming over here. Follow me.
Wait, how do I escape now?
Follow the trail.
Don't move. Don't
Oh,
move.
yeah. Oh, what is that? What just killed me? Whatever.
Oh,
Is
you're
your
the
line music?
claustrophobia one? Like, do you have all of them? What?
Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna do something real quick.
Black.
Come on,
Black,
walk
do you
around.
have all of them?
Rubber clown chasing
Yeah,
me.
four.
Chill.
Shoot the clown. Shoot the clown.
Oh my god, that noise!
Or-
Oh my gosh, the clown's gone.
So this is the cool.
Okay, but
Follow the voice.
Ready?
Okay, I'll follow the voice like it says so.
Go back. Go.
So like this one, you have to look at
2,
at 3.
1.
Just follow my
directions. 4.
Just wait.
1.
I finished
Look
it.
at all of them.
This is my first time playing this level.
Yeah.
1.
What is it? Okay, I don't know what I keep dying to, but anyway, I'm just gonna.
Oh, it's over here. Okay.
Stick to the wall.
Back.
Stick to the wall.
Oh, I
Stick
see.
to the wall.
I didn't see those.
Stick to the wall. Stick
I need help,
to
guys.
the wall.
My first time playing. I kind of remember. Okay,
This
where's
one's
one?
easy.
Where's
Claustrophobia is
accidentally
easy.
looked at
Anyway.
Oh my. This
What's
thing's
this?
following me.
It says like, let's see some guys. I made it to the top of the step.
Okay, I got it. I got it. Red, blue, everywhere I go. Red is different. Blue, green, yellow. Look at one.
How do I escape this clown? He like teleports to me.
Number 1 is
That's
green.
wrong.
No, the first one is yellow.
Blue, red,
The first
yellow,
one is
pink.
yellow.
It's
The
first
different
one
for
is blue.
everyone.
Yeah.
Different for everybody.
Blue,
Red,
Get
yellow,
destroyed.
pink.
Wait.
Dude,
Bro, I'm looking for the first one. Bro, I don't know what you.
What's the next level?
The clown. Stupid.
Guys,
What
it's
the
green,
heck?
blue, red, yellow, pink.
Hey,
I need help.
Red.
I see
Move,
green.
you stupid
get over
dog.
here. Let me eat your ball here.
Green, blue,
I'm
red.
scared.
Just
I
press
did
random
it.
buttons at
I
this
stopped
time. My
it.
only option is to
I
press random
stopped it.
buttons.
Oh,
it blew up.
Oh, my blue. Welcome to monkey-phobia.
I'm going to the next level.
Can't make that one.
It's green.
I'm in
blue,
the
red,
next
yellow,
level.
pink.
Run! They're coming for my mech.
I don't know where. Where do I go?
I don't know what this is.
Is this a bomb?
What is this?
Bro, where do I
level?
go? Do I go in here?
Nucleophobia.
Uh-oh.
Nucleophobia.
What's the code? I don't want to die. What's the code?
Yellow, blue, red.
It's
So
different for
there's
everyone.
red. 3 is red.
What else?
How do I escape? How do I escape the circus?
Don't look at him. Don't look at him.
I think we're dead.
No, we're dead. Just run really fast.
I think we're dead.
How do I get out of the circus, guys?
It's turning red, like not like the movie.
Bro, I hate that movie. It's too cringy.
I haven't
Wait,
seen the
dude,
movie,
what's
but
the
I know
goal?
it.
That's red. Let's just run. Wait,
How do I get out of here?
Run quicker! Run quicker! Run quicker! Why am I not running fast? One is green. Glizzy Gobbler! Glizzy Gobbler! Glizzy Gobbler! Hello? Green. Hello? This is green.
Where is everyone?
Oh yeah. Wait, hey. I figured it out. Are you my brother Samuel? No. What? Yellow is the third. Yellow is the third. Because your name is Monkey and you're blue. And he said
Bro. Hey, Orange, come here. I know where to go. Orange.
Type the code in. I'm new again.
I know, follow me.
I'm four. I'm new to this whole entire game.
Me too, I just got it.
Where's four? Rena's one. Same, I got it yesterday. You gotta kill the clown. Come on, okay? Bro, we're dead. Let's go. I got it because Daniel clearly played it. I didn't mention it. Is he after us?
Yeah. Oh, God. So follow me.
Welcome to Monkey Phobia.
I know, we have to press
We just gotta run.
The little clown
Run.
is right there. Just collect all these.
Run.
And
He's
then
coming.
kill him.
Oh my God, he's right behind us. Run.
Where do we go?
I don't care that it's
Just kill him with it.
That's what happens when you don't move.
I killed him. That's it. I beat it.
I got them all. What do I do? I got them all.
What do we do?
I got them all.
I don't know. What do we do?
I got them all. Where do I go?
Next to the level, and then it will say like...
Where's two? What is it? What's the
I
code?
got them all.
Where's two? What's
Okay,
the...
this is probably... Yeah, I already finished it. It's pretty easy. I defused it! Now what? It stopped the timer!
Okay, now you have to go back to spawn. Go back to spawn. Go back to like where you came out.
Where?
You have to go back to where you came out.
I already beat it. Where's pink? Where? Guys,
Where's
don't
three?
be order.
Right here.
Stupid.
Right here?
It's
I think
glitching.
the color is red, blue, purple. No, it's red, hold up.
Glitch.
No, wait, where's
It's
spawn? I'll tell you once I go spawn.
So the spawn is like right where you came out.
Does it say
Right where you came out.
Colophobia?
Yeah, right there. Go towards that word. Go towards the
What
word.
do I have to do?
And then you have to, here, just don't come down. I'm distracting this stupid clown.
There's a clown!
Oh, there's two of them.
Dude, over here, it's over here.
I got all of them. I just don't know where to go now.
Oh, I'm scared of oh my god. Look, I haven't tried Curly. Oh, I'm doing Am I
You have to, dude. I don't understand this. How do you escape this one? How do I escape this one?
I don't want to die. Where did I put the flamethrower? This one.
I don't know. Bro, what do I do with the flamethrower?
Where's two? Where's two?
I don't know. No, I tried to do that. I died.
Three.
What's three, bro?
It's open. It's open. Is it open for you guys?
Where's five? Hello? What's the code?
How?
It's
It's
different
for
everyone.
Pink?
What?
No, yes, I did it. Where's one? Second one.
Bro, how do I escape?
Did I do it correctly?
What do you leave at?
That's what I do.
What's the code?
There. Where do you leave?
I don't know.
Where
I'm
do
just
you
stuck
leave?
running in a circle.
You leave over here.
Stupid.
Where do you
How?
leave?
Oh my God, it's behind me.
Where do you go?
No.
No.
Come on, let's go together. All right, let's
I'm
go.
not the exit. Where's the cloud?
I don't know.
Wait.
How do I leave? Oh my
How do I
god.
leave?
Oh my god, dude. That was
How do I
perfect
leave?
comfort.
I'm a new person.
I want to know how to leave.
Go.
I don't like this.
Where do I go? Where do I go?
Let's go at the
I
weapon.
have all of them. Where do I go once I'm done?
Shoot him.
How?
With
You
the
can't.
bolt?
Shoot him.
With what?
With what?
With the gun.
It won't allow me.
It's not Got him.
Oh, I
Got him.
shot him. I shot him once.
Got him.
Where'd he go?
If you kill him.
Oh!
If you killed him.
You just have to press the trigger as pointing at him. Scopophobia.
It's not working. It's the fear of being watched.
Oh God.
I got him.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm
Why
looking
am
at
I
you.
scared? I'm not scared.
Oh, okay.
I'm coming. Alright, where are you? Congrats. Alright, now we have to make it to the end. Where do we go? I'm in a area where this so I know it's chasing me. Oh God, I seriously have to go quicker. I'm definitely going to die. Wait for me! Quicker, 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 quicker! I'm freaking dead.
How do I get up here?
Where the heck do I go? What? No! Dude! I saw him, I'm scared.
Is there something here? Is there something that's supposed to be killing us?
No! You have to climb up these dark stairs.
There's nothing else.
Oh right, I did that.
We're at the end.
I think you guys!
Hey!
Right here.
Oh! Treasure! That's not. I don't like that. That's not treasure.
Once you unlock it,
That's. I unlocked it.
where's 4? Where's 4? I stopped the timer. I stopped it. There's a door all the way over there. I finished
Hey,
all of
Black!
that.
Black, where are you going? Black, right here.
Now
Black.
you reset your game when you're done. I'm pretty sure.
Black, come here. Black, come here.
Where do we go?
And then you jump up here.
Where's 4? What is this?
Open the chest. Open it.
Oh God.
And then you grab it. Unlock.
Where's pink? Where's pink?
Got it. Alright.
That means pink swing.
And then I can go back.
Now where do we go?
I'm just jumping down, but you have to restart your game to get out.
Go up. I know how to beat this. I beat it.
This was cool.
Oh, should we just go up?
Wait, no, wait.
Okay.
Yeah.